Hey guys, welcome to Curious Rohan. This is Rohan Raj, and today we are going to make a turmeric indicator, which indicates the solution is acidic or basic. When you put it in base, then it become red, and when we put it in acid, it become yellow. So let's get started. Click on subscribe and press the bell icon to never miss any video from Curious Rohan. The things which are required are turmeric powder, paper strip, and paintbrush. So firstly we have to make a paste of turmeric powder. Then rub it on the paper like this with the paintbrush. Leave it to 10 minutes for drying. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed, then subscribe us and press the bell icon to never miss any video from Curious Rohan. Thanks for watching.